What's going on, y'all? This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We're here in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, checking out the gorgeous, absolutely incredible Gulf Coast waters today, as well as looking at this super cool 1969 Ford Bronco. Man, it is absolutely sweet. Coming off of a fresh restoration. It's got all new, I would say, show quality paint all the way around. Absolutely gorgeous. Brand new wheels and tires. Got a great motor from Summit Racing. Still got the barcodes on it. Got less than 300 miles on it probably since it was done. Got a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. Shifts perfect like it should. Fires up first key, warm or cold. It's got power steering. It's got brand new power brakes. Disc brakes up front. Got all the 4x4 hardware. You got a twin stick shifter. So you can shift the front wheels or the back wheels independently, or 4x4. You're running 33s right now. I believe it could fit 37s without a problem. You got about a 5-inch lift on here. You got brand new Pro Car bucket seats, tilt steering column. Not a speck of rust on the car. None at all. Like I said, this paint job is absolutely gorgeous. Laser slick paint, beautiful reflection in paint. It's slick all the way around. Does not have doors. It does not currently have a top. Fires up first key. Speedometer is working. There's our twin stick that I'm talking about. Stereo. Brand new gas tank. Just a super sweet truck. Nationwide shipping is available, as well as financing with 10% down. Anyway, y'all, just give me a buzz, a picture of the ink changing compartment or on the website.